Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about three scales of measuring temperature. These three are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and the Kelvin scale. You must have studied about Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. The most common among them is Celsius scale. Today we will discuss mainly about Celsius scale and Kelvin scale, especially the relation between them. That means how Celsius scale and Kelvin scale are related to each other. Whereas we are not going to discuss about Fahrenheit scale at all. So it is given here. There are three scales on which the temperature of a system can be measured. These are called Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and the Kelvin scale or the absolute scale. That means the other name for Kelvin scale is absolute scale. Then we will directly come on to the third paragraph, which is given after figure 1.7. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Please remember this. It is because most of the students, they are getting confused that Celsius scale or the degree Celsius is the SI unit of temperature. The reason is that because we are generally using or mostly using Celsius as the unit of temperature, but it is not so. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. It is denoted by the symbol K. So this also you have to remember. The symbol for Kelvin is capital K and not small k. It is capital K. Please note that the sign of degree is not used in Kelvin scale. Like as we are using degree in case of Fahrenheit scale or in case of or in case of Celsius scale like degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius, this we are not using, or we are not using the term degree with Kelvin scale. So you remember this, it is also important. On this scale, the freezing point of water, that is 0 degrees Celsius, is taken as 273.16 Kelvin. That means the value for 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273.16 Kelvin. This is the exact value which comes in Kelvin scale for 0 degrees Celsius. For convenience, we take 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin after rounding off the decimal. But generally, we are omitting this decimal value and we are rounding it off and we are taking only 273 Kelvin equals to 0 degrees Celsius. On this scale, boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius, is taken as 373 Kelvin. So as 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin, when you are adding 100 on both the sides, which will come 100 degrees Celsius, then on the Kelvin side, it will become 373 Kelvin. Kelvin is the best scale for measuring temperature since it has no negative sign. This is important because sometimes the question is asked like why Kelvin is considered as the best scale for measuring temperature. The reason is that because Kelvin scale, it is not having any negative value, it is not having any negative sign like we are having in degree Celsius or we are having in Celsius scale negative values, but in Kelvin scale there is no negative value. That is why it is considered as the best scale for measuring temperature. The Celsius and Kelvin scales are related to each other by the relation Kelvin is equals to 273 plus degree Celsius. So this is the only formula which is required for the conversion of temperature. If the temperature is given in degree Celsius and that you have to convert into Kelvin, this is the formula you will be applying. Same way, if you have to convert from Kelvin to degree Celsius, then also the same formula you will apply. Thus, to convert a temperature on the Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, we subtract 273 from the given temperature, and to convert a temperature on the Celsius scale to the Kelvin scale, we have to add 273 to the given temperature. So this much is more than enough to understand about Celsius scale and Kelvin scale, and especially to solve the numerical problems based on the relation between these two temperature. So you only have to remember some of the important point like Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Then Kelvin is the best scale for measuring temperature. It is because it is not having any negative sign, negative value. And the third one, which is the most important one, is the relation between the two. which is K is equals to 273 plus degree Celsius. So this relation, this formula we are going to apply to solve the questions which is given in the in-text question which we will be discussing next.